Hello, my name is Alejandra Montero Rincon, following the answer to the question what if. If I study English hard, I will travel to United States. If I only had 24 hours to live, I would visit my mother. If I had studied more, I would have approved my English test. If you don't know the meaning of a word in English, you can look it up in the dictionary or ask the teacher. If I could be an animal, I would be a fish. If I hadn't studied this career, I would have studied electronic engineering because I always like to help the community. If it rains tomorrow, I will wear boots and jackets. If my smartphone falls into the toilet, I will buy other smartphone. If I could be invisible for a day, I would see the teachers closer and hug them. Babies cry if they feel alone. If it hadn't rained hard yesterday, I would have gone to the stadium to play soccer. If I eat lots of fast food, I will get sick. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.